everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have come up with a very beautiful, gorgeous look for you. This is gonna be a soft glam look. I'm so excited to show you exactly how I got this look done. If you're interested in getting this look, please keep watching. So to make it simpler for you, I have come up with 3 brushes that we're gonna be using simultaneously for this look. So the first brush that you'll need is a brush that looks like this. It's a slightly bigger sort of blending brush, and you'll just need a small blending brush that will go straight in your lid, and you'll need this brush right here. It's basically going to help us pack on the more shimmery shades, and it's basically like a flat brush. Okay, I'll list all the products that I'm using in the description box below. The palette I'm using today is the Tati palette, the volume 1, and I'm so excited. This was my first time trying it out and I love it. So the first shade that we're going to go in with is the matte color called Soothe. It's going to be basically our transition shade, and we're going to start by packing that all over the lid. Oh, and I've actually already gone ahead and primed my lid with a concealer. You can use a concealer or a eyeshadow primer, anything that you are comfortable using. One thing that I'm going to use to complete this look is these eye patches, I like to call them. They're basically to help you kind of shape your shadow, but also so that I don't have any fallouts later. And this is also going to kind of guide me to where I want my shadow to be. Going ahead and packing that on my lid. And while I am putting this transition shade on, I'm actually bringing it all the way down to where my nose contour starts, which is right about here underneath the front of my brow, and I'm bringing the shade all the way in there. Basically, I just took the one shade, which is the Soothe, and I just applied that all over my lid and as high as I could take it without covering my brow bone right here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our smaller blending brush, which is this one right here, and I'm going to dip it in the Ritual shade matte, and just take off any excess that I have, and I'm going to just apply that on my outer V. So as you can see right here, just applying that on my outer V. So for now, just focus on getting that on the outer V. Alright, so now we're going to start to bring this on the inner part of our eye. So I'm just applying that and I'm bringing that in. Normally, if you have more like bigger eyelids, of course you're gonna wanna follow your natural crease line, but because I have hooded eyes, I am bringing this a little higher so that you can actually see my shadow when I close my eyes. It's the biggest struggle that many of us face, but it's okay. We're in this together. So yeah, I'm taking it all the way in the front now, again, in the front of my brow. As you can see, I'm going to take that all the way to the front. Now, between using the small brush, blending brush, I'm going to be also using this brush right here without any excess product. And I'm just going to use that to just sort of blend everything out, making sure that there's no harsh lines anywhere, and bringing it softly to the front where my nose contour starts, or basically below my eyebrow right here directly. That's how I want to kind of go back and forth and do that. We are going to just deepen up our outer V right here, basically placing that shade on my outer V and afterwards I'm just blending it outwards this way, see? Just gonna run that back and forth, and I'm going to kind of blend that outwards to create sort of like a wing, but not really, not too sharp, but just blending it towards my wing. Basically, I'm done the base and I'm happy with it. So the next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take my flat tapered brush. So you're going to take the Soothe shade in metallic and use this to basically kind of create a cut crease. So I'm starting it right above my corner and sort of go a little above my crease. You don't have to take it all the way because we're gonna go in with more shadows. I've gone ahead and applied this 2/3 of my lid, and basically this is what you should be looking at right now. And we're gonna go in with this burnt orange color. Oh my gosh, I think this is my favorite color on the palette. It's so beautiful. I have to do a look with just that color. That's how gorgeous it is. But basically I'm taking that burnt orange color called Story in matte, and I'm going to just apply that right where I merged the darker brown shade and the more golden shade. And this is gonna sort of add a bit of warmth. And I'm just gonna soften up that brown. You're going to take the metallic shade from Aura, and I'm just going to apply that right at the corner. I'm going to go in with my bigger blending brush, take my transition shade, and I'm just going to go and blend everything in. Now the key is blending. If you blend out, whenever you're doing eyeshadow, if you just are able to blend it out to perfection, you will get, like, you can recreate any eyeshadow look perfectly. You just have to be able to, you know, have the patience to blend it for as long as you basically need to. Sorry. I'm going to take my small brush right here and I'm going to apply that burnt orange color underneath my eye. And I'm going to make sure that I connect that with my shadow at the top. I'm going to take that Ritual shade and I'm going to apply that closer to my lash line. And I'm going to take that transition shade and apply that as low as possible down here. Alright, so the next step is to line your waterline. And I'm just going to go ahead and highlight my inner corner with that shade. The next step is for you to curl your lashes and apply some mascara. I'm just going to go ahead and curl these lashes. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply my falsies, and I'll be right back. Now the last thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to just take that same brush and I'm just going to highlight my brow bone. And there you have it. This is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I enjoyed making it for you. If you enjoyed it, then please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. It will really help me out. And until next time,